So a lot of people know that juice really matters. However, people are also saying that you perfectly craft cold pressed juices. Why is that?
Well, we're probably one of the only companies that crafts their juice in a fully refrigerated facility. So from start to finish, everything maintains cold, and that's really crucial to maintaining the flavor profile, the nutrients, the enzymes, and everything. So that's one of the most important points that differentiates us from other people.
Is there a big difference in that, and you can taste the difference?
There's a huge
or nutritionally,
difference in
or
that.
what?
Absolutely, because as you start to juice fruit and vegetables, heat builds up. So unless you have a refrigerated space around you, it's the only way to keep that temperature down and keep your sensory profile maintained.
Wow, sensory profile. You got the right words here.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else is unique and different about this particular, fresh cold pressed juice?
Well, this is probably the only cold pressed juice company that is fully allergen free. A lot of cold pressed juice companies make nut milks, and this company doesn't make a nut milk. Instead, they make a hemp milk. And so with the hemp milk, also they don't use water. They use the fruit vegetables, so carrot juice and orange juice, and that way you don't have to add any agave. So that's a really big thing, is that the company's trying to be a whole foods company and not use any refined sugars, not use any additives, no extracts or flavoring. So everything such as the Halle Berry is a raspberry jalapeno, where it's actually juiced jalapeno and no powders or extracts.
You got jalapeno in there?
Yes.
That's a bite.
Yeah.
What are they saying about that one?
This one is she's a home run hitter. She's our sweet heat. People love it. It's got a nice warmth up front, then the sweetness comes through, and then a nice warm in your chest at the end. So it's very different.
It's different. How did it hit you?
I really like the heat. It has a kick to it, which is, these juices are very different. I've never tasted juices in combination such as these ones.
I've never heard of jalapeno in a juice.
Yeah.
Okay, usually reverse when you have the jalapeno and something that cold to chill you down. Okay, what else?
So, and the same thing, like even our master cleanse, this would be the only one that has any type of water incorporated in it, because it's very traditional to the master cleanse recipe. But instead of using cayenne pepper, we use juiced chilies, so you get a more even feel on your palate, right?
Wow.
And then nothing else has water added to it, and that maintains the integrity of the product, because the moment you add water, you add oxygen, which oxidizes your juice. So we definitely don't want to do that here.
What are your top sellers?
King Kale. So King Kale and the Coconut Groove, which is not out here right now, our Breakfast Chia. And then
For a more fruity one, the strawberry lemonade.
Strawberry lemonade. Something very unique for the beet lovers is our crayon beanie.
Now, why are the top sellers?
So I think King Kale, because everybody wants more kale juice. And the difference here with this one is that you actually get 3 shots of kale juice in this, along with some dandelion. So you're getting those nice dark green bitters. And then we only cut it with enough apple, lemon, and ginger so that it just breaks the bitterness, but it's not sugary and sweet.
Okay, what about this, and why is the Breakfast Chia a big seller?
I think the Breakfast Chia is a big seller because it has the classic flavor profile of that strawberry banana orange smoothie. However, the very first ingredient is carrot juice. So we're trying to find more ways to get vegetables into our juices. People have an easy time eating fruit. They have a hard time getting vegetables in. So any way we can sneak in more veggies.
So what do you have for breakfast? You have the chia?
The chia.
Really?
It's the protein, and it fills you up. I love this one, yeah.
Okay,
This one's more of a kid-friendly. Kids like this one more, I think. It's a basic strawberry lemonade, so it's more fruity. That's a good one for the kids.
We also have our salad greens, which is extremely popular as well, because everybody wants a green juice that doesn't have fruit juice added to it. So because we've taken out the sugar content, in order to make it more palatable, we add some hemp oil and some sea salt, so it goes really nice across the member.
Wow. What are they saying here at the festival?
Really great things. Loving the juice, very unique. It's very original. I love the taste, how bright it is, and that the recipes are balanced well. So the ingredients have a good balance too.
Looks like you're sold out. Is that all you got left from today?
We have very few left, so we did very well today. Yeah.
Okay, good. More information, your website is?
It's juice-matters.com. So it's on all of our bottles. We're also on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram.
Great.